Closing market comments for Thursday, March the 4th. Markets opened steady to a little higher last night. Beans were able to rally and had a substantial rally at one point. Corn and wheat traded both sides. The dollar was up slightly early, sold off, and then rallied again to close up 698 points at 91.640. You can follow the soybean market. Trading is just the opposite of what the dollar did today. When the dollar was down, beans were up strong, at one point up 31 cents. When the dollar rallied and got up 700 points, the beans were down and only closed up 3 cents at the end of the day. So quite a range. Never seen that big a reaction to the dollar and beans in a day. Typically you see that type of reaction, but not that quickly in one day. So a little surprising. I think it has a lot to do with the funds, the ability of information, and looking at everything all at the same time, because boy, they were all over the market today. Otherwise, in the market, we had export sales out today. Corn sales of 4.6 million. That is really disappointing from what we expected. Down from 17.8 last week and 57.9 last year, with 16 to 31 expected, 10.1 needed, and 1.53 million of new crop. China switched 41.5 million bushels of beans from unknown to them, but they also canceled another 27.5 million bushels of beans. So that was the big drop off there. Soybean sales were 12.3 million, up from 3.6 a week ago and 8.8 last year, with 4 to 18 expected, 1.5 needed. So good sales for what we need, and 7.33 of new crop. China bought 7.3 million bushels of beans, but they also canceled a separate 2.3 million for a net gain of 5 million bushels. Wheat sales were 8.1 million, up from 6.2 a week ago, but well below last year at 19.9, with 4 to 18 expected, 1.7 needed, and no new crop sales. China also canceled 2.1 million bushels of sorghum in this week's report. Ukraine is talking about cutting corn and barley acres and increasing spring wheat and sunflowers. Lended a little support to new crop corn today. Gold was able to close up at $2.10 at 17.40. Silver was down just over a full dollar at 25.335. Crude oil had another big day today, closing up $2.92 at 64.18. OPEC is talking about increasing oil shipments by 1 million barrels a day, but that is not enough for what the trade is expecting as the COVID demand starts increasing when COVID drops off. Stocks were all lower across the board today. Dow futures down 321, NASDAQ down 199, S&P down 46. The Fed secretary talked today and talked about no inflation, and seemed to be a little disheartening on the stocks. So, okay, thanks for watching. Have a good week.